Occasionally, you are going to see more detailed OLAP terminology such as the following. ROLAP. This stands for Relational Online Analytical Processing. Now, these are geared towards interacting with sophisticated RDBMS systems. Multidimensional is MOLAP, and these are geared towards generating what's known as cubes, hypercubes, and a multi-dimensional view of the data. Now don't worry, I'm going to go into that in a bit more detail in a minute. I'm starting to mention cubes and hypercubes, I know. Hybrid of the two is known as HOLAP. Now I'm bringing these up, they sound absurd, but they do turn up on CVs. Let's look at OLAP query languages. Now, just as we had SQL as the querying language within traditional RDBMS systems, with BI and OLAP techniques, the querying languages are much more sophisticated. And notably, what you're going to see on CVs are MDX. And this stands for multi-dimensional expression. It's a querying language for OLAP databases. Another one that you'll see is DAX. Now, DAX is a Microsoft-specific query language specifically created to work within their BI environment using the Power Pivot tool within Excel.